New Zealand USD, we start with daily chart. We want to see how we can look for trade. As we can see, based on daily chart, the way it's moving is really corrective. As we mentioned in our analysis, when we have this kind of the corrective move, we can get the short move either up or down. And as we can see here, we get the corrective, the short move. Can we expect this one for one move up as a short? All right, we want to see how we can look for a trade. Okay, first of all, we move to daily forward chart. What I want to mention here, as we can see, if we put this top relative to the previous tops, we can see we have a divergence. Okay, still we can look for continuation. All right, but how we can look for trade? And as we can see, every time the price broke the previous top, it start to correct. Okay, now wanna see we get the correction here. If we get any trade set up for short, we can consider it, for buy we consider it as a short-term trade, because it's still we can expect this one tend to a more complex, the continuation as a corrective. All right, anyway, if we want to look for trade, I think the Aussie USD can give us a better structure than the New Zealand USD, because the way is moving. Anyway, if we want to look for New Zealand USD, then we can look for buy. We can look at this as a correction, and any buy will be a short term. In this case, if we move to 1 hour chart, for me, if I want to look for trade for buy, I prefer this one give us a bigger correction, let the price drop. That means this one tend to a bigger correction. Any reversal from there, we can look for buy, either short move flag, or at that times after the price break this low, we can have entry above this correction. Okay, it doesn't mean the price can continue from here. What do we prefer? This one tend to a deeper correction before we look for the trade. Okay, in this case we just follow the chart. As I mentioned, if you want to look for buy, the Aussie USD can give us better structure. And anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.